I'm here to talk about my brand. I have a brand launch today. I'm not talking about anything else. Everybody's coming here to support me. I'm very thankful to everyone. I'm very thankful to you guys coming here. Hopefully you'll see what we've done, what we created, and I'm sure people will like it.
Congratulations Yuvraj for this. बताइए आज हम क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं और क्यों आपने
सर क्यों आपने सोचा
कि इस तरह का प्रयास किया जाना चाहिए?
देखिए आज सरप्राइज है, तो पहले एक बार सरप्राइज हो गया, उसके बाद मैं फिर आके मीडिया इंटरव्यूज़ करूँगा. आई वांट पीपल टू कम एंड हैव अ लुक कि हमने क्या क्रिएट किया है. जो कुछ भी क्रिएट किया है अपनी फाउंडेशन के लिए क्रिएट किया है, और मैं चाहता हूँ जो मेरी स्टोरी है यूवी कैन की, जो जिस चीज़ से मैं गुजरा हूँ उस चीज़ में मैं हेल्प कर सकूँ, और ऑब्वियसली जो भी लो डाउन होगा मैं आपको वापस आके ज़रूर दूँगा. पहले हम इसकी बात करेंगे, उसके बाद after the event we'll talk about everything. ठीक है?
He's ending. He's coming for the press conference. You will have
I will
the
do the press
conference.
conference once the show is over with everyone.
Yeah. Come down. Of course there is. You don't know what our schedule is. We are not going to wait for the press conference. So you need to do the bites now. Let him do the bites. We are doing press conference after this. Please speak to Neha. There is no press conference. Speak to Neha.
Come. On your right.
Thank you. Go ahead. Go
Yeah, 100%. Don't worry. She's here with us. Angad also. Here or there?
Should I go
The boss face. But I think you all share your wife together. Angad? Angad was seeing pictures of Kamal in New York. Seeing pictures of Kamal in New York. You might manage present. I know.
Sagarika on your left for these.
Hello.
I've got the phone.
I'm here, right, man.
Excuse me, I'm for this electronic on the left. First.
ये मारो ये लाओ पार्टी के तरफ अरे ये लाओ आप थोड़ा सर राइट
Take a selfie. हम पास होने वाले
नहीं लग नहीं रहा सर या सर प्लीज
अरे ऊपर जरा साइड में हो जाओ प्लीज सर राइट साइड
What do you have to say about yesterday's controversy involving KRK and
Who cares, yeah? You come for some other event, you're talking about something else. Don't talk trivial, man. Talk about this. Talk about this, my dear lady. You're on the wrong platform and wrong track. You just be happy that Yuvraj is in action. He's doing something which is a good cause. Grow up, kid.
I'll try.
On your left.
Please.
मैडम सपोर्ट मैम
I'm very proud of him and looking forward to the event. And I think it's always nice when people use their popularity to make a difference to society. I think it's always a great thing, and we're all here to support him. I can't say anything about it. You'll have to ask the producers. I have no idea.
There's a bill that's been proposed in the parliament regarding endorsements and celebrity endorsements.
I don't think there's a platform to be discussing that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. बाइक ट्रांसफर हो गया ना ट्रांसफर
Arjun.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me.
Let's cross. We'll cross. We've done our bit.
लाइट नव्हता तेव्हा
एक ही जगह पे देखिए, मैं तो सबसे पहले यूवी को मुबारकबाद दूंगा। बड़ा अच्छा काम करे, बड़ा नेक काम करे, और हमें उसमें शामिल किया यूवी ने, तो खुशनसीबी है हमारी। मुझे यूवी ने बताया, और यूवी के जो साथ काम करे उन्होंने भी बताया कि 1.5 साल से ये काम के पीछे लगे हुए थे कि किस तरह से वो कैंसर के लिए हाँ जी, किस तरह से 1.5 साल से काम में लगे हुए थे और किस तरह से मेहनत कर रहे हैं। तो अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके, और हम उनको मुबारकबाद दे रहे हैं। और
मैं तुमको बात
आप आपका देश के सबसे बड़े खिलाड़ी महेंद्र सिंह धोनी पे फिल्म बन रही है, आप किस तरह उसको उसका इंतजार कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, आप ट्रेलर देखा आपने? मैंने भी देखा, बड़ा अच्छा लगा, और आई एम श्योर मूवी ज़बरदस्त होगी। जिस तरह से दिख रहा है ट्रेलर में, I really think it's going to be one of the best sports movie. So looking forward to it.
और कौन खिलाड़ियों के चाहते हैं कि इंडिया के बायोपिक बने?
युवराज सिंह, इरफान पठान, यूसुफ पठान, और भी ऐसे बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्समैन हैं जिनकी लाइफ अगर आप देखें तो बहुत स्ट्रगल है, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। कई क्रिकेटर्स की आप देखते हैं जहाँ पे उनकी बायोपिक्स बनती है, जहाँ पे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। और हमेशा आई थिंक ये बहुत साल पहले मूवीज़ आके गई है, आने वाले वक्त में भी आती रहेगी, पर लेकिन अभी फ़िलहाल सचिन पाजी पे मूवी बन रही है, तो उनके ऊपर भी आई थिंक लुक फॉरवर्ड करा। उनकी भी स्टोरी काफ़ी इंस्पिरेशन रहेगी, और आई एम श्योर यूवी धोनी के बाद अगर किसी की मूवी बननी चाहिए तो यूवी की।
आपके ऊपर अगर फिल्म बन रही है तो कौन अभिनेता परफेक्ट होगा?
रणबीर कपूर।
आराम से
बॉडीगार्ड जाने जरूरी है। थैंक यू। अच्छा जी, थैंक यू मैम। मैडम जाए।
I want to present to people through my brand, and I want people to motivate themselves, because it's easy to say to get motivated, but the inner strength has to come from every individual. So get fitter, come back to your life, come back to where you belong. That is the whole purpose of UV Can.
शांतनु, निखिल आपसे जब युवराज ने आइडिया शेयर किया तो आपके क्या थॉट प्रोसेस थे और किस तरह की स्ट्रेटजी आपने इसके लिए अपनाई?
सबसे पहले तो हमने इनके विजन को दाद दिया कि आपका ब्रांड है यूवी कैन, आप लॉन्च कर रहे हैं यूवी कैन फैशन में। बहुत टाइम से इनका एक विजन था, और हम इनके लिए पहले भी वी नोन ईच अदर बिफोर एज फ्रेंड्स। सो ही ऑलवेज थॉट के किसी ना किसी दिन मैं यूवी कैन फैशन ब्रांड भी लॉन्च करूँगा। एंड जस्ट द विजन टू अलाइन with a designer to do a collection and spell it out to the world, that by itself shows the intent कि इनका इंटेंट बड़ा क्लियर है कि कपड़े भी जो होंगे वो फैशनेबल होंगे, उसमें एक इंस्पिरेशन होगी जो कि रेजोनेट करेगी इनके पूरे लिव डेयर और इंस्पायर को, जो कि इन्होंने बताया कि यू हैव टू विच इज़ ऑल द ट्रेट्स ऑफ यूवी कैन, एंड अगर हम उसको फैशन की नज़र से आगे बढ़ावा दे सकते हैं, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ द विजन एंड कूडोज टू हिम. आई डोंट थिंक देयर आर मेनी पीपल who start off a brand by aligning also with another brand to create a line, which is in this case was a gold collection. So if the vision is like that, you can imagine what he is capable of doing.
सेकेंडली आई थिंक अगर आप युवराज को जानते हैं पर्सनली, आप रियलाइज़ करेंगे कि ये इज़ अ स्टैंडिंग वॉकिंग इंस्पिरेशन, और अस डिज़ाइनर्स ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉर इंस्पिरेशन टू मेक आवर कलेक्शंस. जब ये आए थे, उनकी जो कहानी हुई है उनकी ज़िंदगी में, जिस अप्स एंड डाउन से निकले हैं और वापस आके इन्होंने जब अपना कमबैक किया और किस उम्दा स्टाइल में इन्होंने अपनी बोली सुनाई सबको, दैट्स इंस्पिरेशन इनफ फॉर अस. हमको एक हल्की सी चिंगारी चाहिए जिससे हम क्रिएट कर सकें. और शांतनु और मैं ज़्यादा पार्टनरशिप्स नहीं करते हैं, बट इस इंटेंट से जो इन्होंने सोचा है और जिस तरीके से हमारे को अप्रोच कर रहे थे, इट्स इनएविटेबल. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी.
एंड कहीं ना कहीं आई थिंक वी हैव स्पोर्ट्स पेडिग्री, हमारे कपड़ों में कहीं स्पोर्ट्स वेयर का झलक नज़र आता है, विच अगेन गोज टू द मैन. ही हैज़ एन आई, दिखता है इनको कि कौन इनके लिए कर सकता है और कौन यूवी कैन में फिट आ सकता है. आई थिंक फ्रॉम दैट एस्पेक्ट आई थिंक इट्स ऑल इन हिज आईज एंड दैट्स वेयर ही इज.
और एक बार जब ये ठान लेते हैं तो भैया कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
युवराज, आपके बहुत ही अच्छे मित्र MS धोनी की फिल्म आ रही है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? कहीं ना कहीं उसमें आपका भी कहीं ना कहीं पार्ट होगा, तो उसको लेकर किस तरह एक्साइटेड है?
देखना चाहता हूँ मैं कि मुझे MS धोनी ने किस तरह दिखाया है पिक्चर में. तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू वॉच दिस फिल्म. आई विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट और देखते हैं क्या होता है पिक्चर में.
युवराज, आपकी लाइफ काफी स्ट्रगलफुल रही है, मैसेज देखिए, तो कभी आपने प्लान आउट किया है कि आपके ऊपर भी कोई बायोपिक बने, और बने तो कौन होगा जो आपको प्रेजेंट करेगा स्क्रीन पर?
देखिए अभी डिसाइड नहीं किया. वैसे तो एक्टर मैं भी बड़ा अच्छा हूँ, लेकिन आई हैवंट रियली थॉट अबाउट इट. आई वांट टू रिप्रेजेंट माय कंट्री अगेन. दैट्स माय मोटिवेशन. होपफुली इफ आई कैन डू दैट, और उसके बाद जिस दिन क्रिकेट खत्म होगी, आई कैन थिंक अबाउट इट.
युवराज, हमने देखा मिस्टर बच्चन भी यहाँ पर आए हुए थे,
जी.
वो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड थे आपके इस पूरे शो को लेके. हमने देखा खत्म होने के बाद भी वो आपसे बहुत सारी बातें कर रहे थे. क्या कुछ उनका रिएक्शन था या उन्होंने क्या कुछ कहा? अगर आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहें, बताना चाहें.
जी, उनकी बहुत सपोर्ट थी. मैंने पहले दिन से उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया था. उन्होंने सबसे पहले आके मेरी सपोर्ट की. यू नो, ही इज़ अ लिविंग लेजेंड. यू नो, ही इज़ द बेस्ट एक्टर, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एक्टर्स इंडिया has ever produced, and I am very grateful to his support. I am very thankful for him to come and support me in this cause. And I think he battled life at a very young age. He understood that how hard it is to get up and come back to life. So I think that's the reason why he came and supported me.
Do you look forward for Dhoni's support once he's back for you again?
I think he's very busy. I try to find him as usual. Dhoni doesn't pick up anybody's phone. So I think he was busy in T20 games in America, and I'm sure he will help me through this.
But he doesn't pick up your phone also?
He doesn't pick up anybody's phone. आप भी phone करोगे तो phone नहीं उठाएगा वो.
तो ठीक है, लेकिन yours.
No, I'm just saying, I'm sure he's busy with his launch of this film, and he was busy with his cricket in America, so don't blame him.
Yuvraj, most important factor, you have gone through this thing, and it was very crucial phase in your life. Do you think people start the academy, Gavaskar's academies, there, Sachin Tendulkar we start. So you start an academy, but an academy with a fitness level where a person doesn't come across such kind of phase in their life,
No, that's not possible. See, a disease can come and hit you any time of the life, whether how fit you are, how healthy you're eating, what you're doing in athlete. मुझे भी ये लगता था कि मैं एथलीट हूँ, मुझे ऐसी बीमारी कैसे हो सकती है, पर जब मैंने देखा ये बीमारी किसी को भी हो सकती है. सो इट्स अनफॉर्चुनेट कि ये बीमारी लोगों को होती है, बट no matter how fit you are, you always have to be careful. You have to always go for your checkups, and you have to make sure you're eating healthy, and you always doing the right thing.
That was my basic idea. Preventive steps when you start your academy
Yes,
as such.
definitely.
How did you convince Chris Gayle and Bravo for the same?
I think they were here to shoot one of the commercials, and I think they've been very kind to come and support me. They are very fun-loving guys. They are great athletes, and I'm sure everybody loved them tonight. And I'm really extremely humbled and honored to have them tonight. सर देखिए 4 साल हो गए मेरी एनजीओ को यूवी कैन को, और बड़ा मुश्किल रहा है फंड जनरेट करना, बिकॉज हमारी कंट्री में प्रॉब्लम ये है आम आदमी के पास इंश्योरेंस नहीं है। तो एक आम आदमी को अगर हम टेस्ट करते हैं और उसका डायग्नोज होता है तो उसके बाद पैसे नहीं है कैंसर के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए। तो वही एक इशू था कि हम कैसे सेल्फ सस्टेन कर सकते हैं यूवी कैन को। सो आई थिंक एक ब्रांड शुरू किया यूवी कैन के साथ, शांतनु निखिल के साथ, जिन्होंने गोल्ड कलेक्शन बनाई है। हमारी 2 कलेक्शंस हैं, सुदीति इंडस्ट्रीज़ वो प्रोड्यूस कर रही है। तो होपफुली ये जो कलेक्शन है ये ब्रांड अच्छा करे, सेल्फ सस्टेन करे, और मैं जो अपनी तरफ से कर सकता हूँ मैं पूरी कोशिश कर सकता हूँ, करूँगा कि जो कैंसर से जुड़े हैं लोग, मैं उन सब की मदद कर सकूँ।
लेकिन क्या आपको लगता है कि इस तरह की इनिशिएटिव जब भी लिए जाते हैं तो जो जरूरतमंद है उन तक आप किस तरह पहुंचेंगे, उसकी ट्रांसपेरेंसी किस तरह आप रखेंगे?
ज़रूरतमंद देखिए जी, हमने यूवी कैन की तरह बहुत से कैंप्स किए हैं, अवेयरनेस कैंप्स किए हैं, टेस्ट किए हैं, 1 लाख से 1 लाख डिटेक्शन किया है, नॉर्थ में साउथ में हर जगह। बट जो कारण है, जो लेमैन है, उसके पास इंश्योरेंस नहीं है, तो वो कैसे अपना ट्रीटमेंट कराए। सो द सोल पर्पस इज़ दैट, हमारा छोटा पर्पस है, हमारे पास 25 बच्चे हैं जिनके माँ बाप ने सारा खर्चा कर दिया उनकी कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट पे, अब उनके पास पैसे नहीं है पढ़ाने को, सो हम उनकी एजुकेशन करते हैं। तो वो हमारा छोटा पर्पस है, और अब बड़ा पर्पस जो है वो लोगों को ट्रीट करना।
और आज जिस तरह से इंडस्ट्री ने आपको सपोर्ट किया है उसके लिए क्या कहेंगे?
जी मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ, सब लोगों ने मुझे आके सपोर्ट किया, बड़े बड़े स्टार्स आए आज, सब ने मुझे सपोर्ट किया, ट्विटर पे, सोशल मीडिया पे, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, सब पे सपोर्ट किया। तो आई थिंक वेरी थैंकफुल एंड वेरी हम्बल्ड विद दैट सपोर्ट, एंड आई थिंक एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड्स कि व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड यूवी कैन। सो दैट्स अबाउट इट।
Hi, Yuvraj. Lassi from India today. Just wanted to ask you on a lighter note, so many athletes on the stage, I think, they were fantastic, and, did you always know that they'd make very great models on the stages and the ramp as well?
Definitely, I think it was Shantanu and Nikhil's plan to get all the sportsmen. We had a lot of arguments of how we're going to do this, but they said sports, the sporting people, they are the national pride of our country, and these are the one who should represent UV Can. So I think it was their plan, and we had a lot of plans. We had a lot of issues, and we had a lot of fights, but we all put it together.
आपको लगता है एक डायलॉग जनरेट होना बहुत जरूरी है कैंसर मुक्त भारत होने के लिए? एक डायलॉग जैसे कि पोलियो से बचने के लिए हमें 2 गुण जिंदगी की, इस तरह कोई एक डायलॉग होना जरूरी है, आपको ऐसा लगता है?
Polio has become almost 0% in our country,
Right.
because we almost giving 2 drops to every child. The day cancer becomes 0%, 1%, it'll be the biggest victory. But that is very difficult, because they are very 2 different diseases, and cancer can happen to anyone. That was what I realized when I went through it. I realized कि किसी आदमी को कोई भी बीमारी हो सकती है. That is the bigger cause. That is what I'm going to work on. That is my sole purpose. Hence, UV Can.
Congratulations for the show and your new line.
ये गलत सवाल पूछे।
Nikhil and Shantanu, you have already done a fabulous job during Language Fashion Week.
Thank you.
Why was the theme on Air Force?
Shantanu.
Okay, the collection was inspired, it was called the Mavericks. थोड़ा इसका पूरा इंस्पिरेशन जो है, अब जब जैसे कि पूरा यूवी कैन का एक ब्रांड फिलोसफी है टू गेट अप एंड डू इट अगेन, सो इसमें एक जगह पे नेशनल प्राइड नज़र आता है, एक जगह पे इंडियन आर्मी नज़र आती है, एयरफोर्स नज़र आता है, जहाँ पे वो अपनी ज़िंदगी दाव पे लगाते हैं, मौत के मुंह में जाके वापस निकल कर आते हैं, विच इज़ वॉट युवराज हैज़ ऑल्सो गॉन थ्रू। सो उसको एक प्रोटैगनिस्ट बनाकर, उसको एक बैकड्रॉप देकर हम लोगों ने सोचा कि वाई डोंट वी डू समथिंग in a very nice ready to wear environment, bringing in military chic and sort of giving a powerful stamp to it. That's why that whole backdrop.
Yuvraj, whom you would like to give credit of your life?
Well, I think it goes to my mother. I just feel she's always been there for me. She's someone who's stood by me as a rock, and someone who supported me through my journey. So I think all my credit will go to her. My father is the one who actually brought me out to play cricket. I never enjoyed playing cricket when I was younger age, but I'm here because of cricket. So thanks to my dad as well.
युवराज नॉट
Yes.
आपकी नज़र में ऐसी कौन सी बातें हैं, ऐसे कौन से एरिया से जिसकी वजह से कैंसर ने इंडिया को अब तक जकड़ कर रखा है?
I think awareness, stigma बहुत है कैंसर का. People don't understand कि क्या है ये disease. जब मुझे कैंसर हुआ, आई वॉज रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम इट. Somebody who's educated and somebody who has everything was running away from it. Nobody was, even people were able to explain me, I was running away from it. So लोगों के मन से वो भय निकालना, सही डॉक्टर के पास जाना, सही टेस्ट कराना, I think you need a lot of awareness for that. So I'm sure I'm in the next few years, coming years, I'm able to do that and give the right information about cancer to people. That's what UVCAN does. And the sole purpose why we here together is to treat people. लांस आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग को नाइकी ने हेल्प किया. 14 साल में 1460 करोड़ रुपए उन्होंने रेज किए अपनी फाउंडेशन के साथ. तो अगर मैं UVCAN के साथ अगर इतना बड़ा मार्जिन एक दिन कर पाया, तो आप ये अंदाज़ा लगाइए कि कितने लोग इससे ठीक हो सकते हैं. Yes, my wife was there. If I didn't have my wife on the ramp, she would have not let me in the house. Yes, sir. लगता है आपको भी आपकी बीवी ने कहीं निकाल तो नहीं दिया. No, just joking. I think so. I have to be. She's my wife. Going to be my wife. दिसंबर पहले हफ्ते में अपना काम तमाम. Thank you very much. Thank you all for coming. I have become much more calmer. Good night. Thank you, thank you, thank you. बंदी ने अकेला इस बंदी ने सारा काम किया. सारा काम आज जो ब्रांड है इस लड़की करके. I mean, I'm sure everybody's made efforts, but this is the one why UVCAN is
their stuff. You've seen them do their best on the field. I can tell you that this for them was harder than anything they've done on the field. But they practiced even harder for this. And of course, the man of the moment, our friend, our brother, my sister, Yuvraj Singh! Okay, before we go any further, this is the reason why I went to school. We have to thank some people who made this possible. English में? You can lose the intense when the show's over. Alright, everyone at UVCAN would like to thank Oppo, the presenting partners, HDFC Mutual Fund, shows powered by them. Shantanu and Nikhil, of course, are ace designers who worked very hard to put this line out. Aparna and Anisha Bell for preferred professionals who had a very tough task today. Sudhiti Industries, a manufacturing partner. The Trident, not even point where we are. Thank you for all the hospitality. Thank you. Radio Mirchi, our media partner. Bizcraft, our event partner. Pro Sport, our fitness partner. And of course, we must thank Air India for getting everybody here. They'll cancel their return tickets. You know all that. But let's just get to business real quick. We're going to say a few things. Of course, the question that has been asked to Yuvi a lot, because for everyone here who knows him and he's dear to us, I think one of the darkest days in our lives was when we discovered his illness, when he discovered his illness. And it's been a battle after that, but a battle that he won because of the support and the love of all you people, and because of the strength that he has inside. And now he wants to spread that message of hope and love to a lot of other people. So Yuvi, just tell us in your words why UVCAN.
First of all, thank you everyone for coming and supporting UVCAN. Thank you very much. Sponsors, if I miss someone out, I will be taken to jail. So I would say that. I think UVCAN is just not my story. It's a story about every athlete who comes from a fight. We all have a fight in us. Every time we try to fight with the world out there, with the fights from within. Prove yourself every day, getting up every day, proving yourself. But there are a lot of people out there who need a support, who need us to fight with them. And that's the reason why UVCAN was established. When I came back from my illness, I realized how many people need that help. So as Mr. Kapil Chopra says, sir, thank you very much for all your support. Without Trident, this would not be possible. My appeal to all the corporates, to all the big stars here tonight, we can make a difference. We are the people here who can make a difference to people out there. Those people need us. Goodwill is the only thing we can leave behind. It's very difficult to donate to a cause, to get attached to a cause. I'm sure all the corporates have their own NGOs. Unless you go through it, unless your family member go through it, unless you go through it, you don't understand the feeling of it. I hope it's not too late, but as we know that you want to donate to all the charities, whether it's cancer, whether it's HIV, whether it's culture. We are in a position to support these people, and we can make a difference. Thank you very much.
Yes, well said, by the grace of God, a lot of us have a lot of good fortune, and it's only right that we pay that forward. Tell us about the fashion line that we saw today. It's very you, right? It's very you. It's very cool. It's very funky. It's very disco. It's disco, man.
Of course.
I haven't been to a disco since I was 10, but still, it's disco.
I think I wanted to create something which everybody is proud of, a good product. When people wear it, they're proud of wearing it, and they're helping a charity in the support. It's something I can be proud of, when I stop playing, or when I sit on my chair and relax, that I've created something great for the community. It's very hard to generate funds for UVCAN because you have to do a lot of events to generate funds
for UVCAN. The problem is the layman, if he get diagnosed, he doesn't have the funds to get treated. There are children, 25 children we support, whose parents have lost all the money in their treatment. We try and support their education. So that is a small-term goal. But the bigger goal is to treat people. Cancer treatments are so expensive that it's very highly impossible to treat a layman. So that's the main goal. With your support and help, I'm sure we can reach, UVCAN can reach that goal one day.
It will, absolutely, it will. Do we have your support? Can we have your support? There you go. Of course, you want to thank all your friends, the champion athletes who came out today.
Yes,
Without time.
Definitely Sushil Kumar, Chris Kale, Dwayne Bravo, all my cricketing friends, Sharmila, all the lovely models. Thank you so much for coming and helping me tonight.
Excellent. And of course, the most important person for you during your battle. Your strength, your rock, your pillar.
Yes, the real hero of UVCAN. I would like to invite my mom on stage, please.
Chandramani, can we have you on stage, please? Big round of applause to Chandramani, please. Auntie saying, auntie बोलेगा तो मारूंगी. She looks like Yuvi's younger sister, but you will not believe it. Ladies and gentlemen, please a big round of applause for the hero behind Yuvi's battle. You don't have to, I don't think that you can explain, a mother can explain what she goes through at that point in time. So we won't put you through that. But you can tell us how proud you are now of his initiative to help other people who go through the same hardship.
I had tears in my eyes when I saw it. It was very overwhelming for me and everybody, and I was so happy everybody's here, and it's a very, very proud moment for me. And I just don't have the words to say. I like it. He started a new venture which is so close to his heart because he loves clothes, and this is something he really wanted to create, and for the last 2 years he's been sitting down and doing everything himself. I had no clue what he was doing, and it's so nice to see it here. And when he walked out of his treatment, we said, it's very easy for you to walk out, and because you've come out of cancer, would you like to do something for cancer? So he says yes, and that's how UVCAN was born. And he says, Mom, till you don't go through it, you don't realize what a person goes through, because it's very easy to say, oh, usko cancer hai, it's very sad. But when actually you go through it, you realize the importance of it. So he really, really wants to help people. It's very close to his heart, and I'm sure he'll go a long way.
Thank you so much. And we also want to call somebody very special who has endured the test of time and had so many of his own battles. We'd like to call him.
I think someone who battled death from a very young age, but every time he got up and inspired us with a great performance on screen. And today is a living legend, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan.
Undoubtedly, you've been one of the most exciting players in the world of cricket. We've seen you and witnessed many battles that you won on the pitch. But for me, your greatest battle was your own personal battle with your medical condition. And for me, that victory is the greatest victory that you'll ever prove and show to the world that UVCAN. May you ever remain healthy. May you continue to do whatever you're doing. I don't know the format for the support that we can give to this cancer cause, but I commit myself today, and in whatever small capacity I can help this cause, you can always rest assured. I wish this concept, this venture of yours, all the very best, and hope we see a lot more of you on the pitch and as well as on this one.
Please request the three of you to just go half ramp so the photographers can get a picture, please.